Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's your pal Pete on the Goldwing. Hope everyone is doing well. And on today's topic of discussion, because you gotta have a topic, otherwise your video is kind of lame, right? Today's topic is, what are they gonna do with the 2025 Goldwing? Let's think about it. So I was just over at RC Hill Honda. And if you don't know, that's where I bought my CRF 300. But they have a ton of 24 Goldwings on the floor. And it got me to thinking, I'm like, well, next year's the anniversary model. 50 years. Oh, they finally finished this bridge, squirrel. And I was like, wow, I wonder what they're going to do. Because the prices kind of shocked me. I mean, this bike never looked better now that, this thing's paid off. It's been paid off for years. And you know, I kind of like, wow, you know, I'm like, that, you know, the asking price for the airbag DCT was, I think I said 28.8 or something like that, or no, 30. I don't know. I'll show pictures. Like 30 grand, and then the 6-speed tour was like 27, 28 grand. I don't have it fully in my brain because I took a picture of it so I could remember it later. And County Road 42. What do you say, folks? Should we do County Road 42? Or not? So anyway, I was looking at the prices like, wow, you know, and then, you know, it's with anything now. It's like so much money for anything, but motorcycles, I think, are just getting ridiculous. But I was thinking, like, they had a bunch, I mean, of 24s on the floor. And I was like, well, the 25s are coming out. I mean, are people going to wait see if they do anything, because it is the 50th anniversary? You know, and knowing Honda as well as I do, it's a little joke. I guarantee my educated guess is that it's going to be absolutely nothing that they're going to do with the 25s. I think you're going to get a paint job. You'll definitely get probably a paint job and some decals, or, you know, badging says 50th anniversary model. Woohoo, yippity-doo, you know. Honestly, I think that's what they're going to do. I mean, that's pretty much what they did for the 40th year. They didn't do anything special. They just put some badges on it, you know. So you kind of got to sit there and go, well, that's not very cool. You're only going to do some badging, maybe a paint job, but I mean, it's just knowing Honda, that's probably what they're going to do. They're not into that. They're not like Harley, where they make a anniversary edition model that's like limited production. At least not that I'm aware of. I've never really seen one. Correct me if I'm wrong. But what I would like to see maybe on the refresh, because 2018, let's see, 25, 5, about 9 years into this particular model's production run, I would think you're probably going to see maybe some cosmetic changes next year. Like they did that with the bags on the mid run of the GL 1800, the first gen. Well, 06 or 05, 06, they kind of changed some of the lighting up a little bit, you know, a little bit different, just to kind of give a little different look. And then, of course, in 10, they changed the way the rear bags look completely, which on these, I would like to see them change the bags out just a bit. You know, make them a little larger. I mean, they work, but they could be better. Compared to my 07, this thing, I could fit more stuff in my 07's trunk than I can fit in all three bags in this thing. Because that thing was just massive storage. And that's why that bike, in my opinion, is still a better 2-up tourer than this bike. That's enough of that. Maybe we'll do a video on that if you want to hear more on my reasons why. But that's all I can really see them doing. The only other thing I could possibly see them doing would be maybe doing the dash. I mean, that would be awesome, because I know, like, this one's getting a little bit, you know, long in the tooth, as the saying goes. where, you know, you could kind of just definitely use a full digital dash would be great, like they have on the new road glides and street glides. My friend Bodine52 has the new road glide, and we were up in Kentucky, and I was looking at that thing and like, man, that thing was sweet. You know, and I would love to see something like that on this. I mean, I might have to change, because it's a wonky kind of shape, because, you know, you got the analog and then the small, you know, LCD screens down here, and then the TFT in the middle. So making that longer to fit that would be really, really cool. You know, and then just kind of upgrading stuff. You know, that's really all I see them doing. I mean, I know everybody, my buddy Anonymous Biker USA did a video, and he'd like to see like a Goldwing Extreme version, which I thought you'll never see that, man. You're hitting the pipe with the funny stuff in it. You think Honda's going to do that? But it would be interesting to see them do like an interstate model. But anyway, yeah. So what are you guys thinking they're going to do in 2025? It's, yeah. Will they change something? Will they change nothing? I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. Hit that thumbs up button. I really appreciate you stopping by. If you like this video, hit subscribe so you get more later. And as always, ride safe, ride often, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.